how to put your pack saddle away. And I've been using the Decker saddle. I'll get to using the Crossbuck saddle here in a little bit. But anyway, how to do it so that you can just put it away, pick it up, and go to using it again. That's really, really important, so you just don't make a mess. Okay? So again, what I emphasized in another video is taking this saddle off effectively and without danger and safely and that sort of thing. Is the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the breast collar loose. Okay, I'm going to unhook it here and here. And we're going to keep the saddle all hooked up on the off side. That'd be the other side. Okay, so I'm going to take the breast collar there. And we're always fighting things like snow and mud and all that kind of stuff. So I don't really like to, I've got some nice equipment, and I don't like to drag it in the ground and let them step on it, break it, and that sort of thing. I'm just going to loosen this up at this point. Okay, and I'm going to take this off. I'm going to hang this clip right here. I'm going to put it right back here on this ring on the breeching, and then you'll have to imagine this a little bit, but I'm going to move this up this way, just like that, and then I'm going to take this off. Okay, you got to be fairly quick about this from here, and I'm going to try without to drag my latigo through the mud. I'm going to tie that up and put a little loop tie off there so that I can get it out real quick. Okay, so here I'm going to just, as I walk behind him, and old Brownie, I'm talking to him all the time, I'm going to throw my cinch right over the top like that, and then I'm going to bring this right up there, put my pad right behind my my back hook, and then I'm going to actually run my breast collar. Since it's a yoke style, if it was just a straight one, I just run it all the way through there from the front. And then I'm going to bring this like that. All right, now I can take it off on either side. And I like to take them off separate. Now you notice that my saddle's all nice and put away nice, and I can just go over here and stick it on the saddle rack or on a log if I'm doing some summer camping, that sort of thing. Okay, so then I can take this thing off. All right, you know, if you turn them loose, and we'll talk a little bit about that later, but if you turn them loose, you really don't have to brush them down. But if you want to be good to them, you only have a few. You know, we're talking about typically pulling in camp, we got 30, 40 head of animals that we've got to take care of. So you might brush them off, comb their hair a little bit, scratch them, look for some sores that popped up, and put those so that you're aware of them. Maybe write them down in your notebook so that you can take care of them, and be watchful, that sort of thing. Make sure that everything looks good. They don't have any loose shoes or anything like that. All right, so that's how you put your pack saddle away, so that you're not just dragging your latigos and your cinches and everything else through the dirt. So